Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you how to fix a Chromebook that won't turn on or shows a black screen in a quick and easy way. First, plug your Chromebook into the charger and make sure it's actually charging. Then wait a few minutes before trying to power it on. Next, press and hold the power button for about 15 seconds to force a restart. If the screen is still black, try increasing the brightness using the keyboard controls. Now perform a hard reset by pressing the refresh key and power button together for a few seconds. Also, disconnect any external devices like USB drives or memory cards that might cause issues. If nothing works, try connecting your Chromebook to an external monitor to check if the display is the problem. Finally, if the issue continues, consider a hardware check or service, and your Chromebook should be fixed or ready for repair now. Subscribe the channel for more videos.